So let's have another look at bezier lines. So I'm going to use the fountain pen tool. So that's 1, 2, 3, the third tool down. So it looks like a fountain pen nib. And I'm going to recap that when I click and I don't drag. If I just click and let's see, I'm going to go for 4x2. If I go here, here, clicking without dragging, I get straight lines. Now, if I did the same line, oops, sorry, I'm going to click off, and now I'm going to click back onto the pen so I can start a new line. If I did the same line, but on one of the points, so on this peak here, I'm going to click and I'm going to drag. I'm going to drag, and now I'm going to go back to single click, and there we go. I've been able to create a semicircle. And if I go to the black arrow and I click on the top anchor, you can see I've got even lines coming off that anchor. And if I change those lines, I affect the curve. And I've gone 4 across the radius of 2 squares, and I've pulled across by 2, and it's given me a perfect circle. Let's draw a final line. So this time, this time I'm going to click, but this one I'm going to click and drag. Now I'm going to click and drag, and I'm going to click and drag, and then I'm going to click. And let's explore that with the black arrow. So if I click on this handle, I've managed this curve, but because this anchor has got a bezier curve on it as well, you can see I've put a chamfered edge here. So I've added the curve in. Well, you can experiment with changing these angles. I'm going to encourage you to stick to these quite symmetrical shapes first. So try and draw this 3 sequences of curves as your first task. Good luck.